Your voice, you sound like an old lady.
Hey, that is not a nice thing to say that to me. There's nothing wrong with taking a vlog.
I agree with Brooke, so stop disturbing us. We are serious.
Yeah, don't talk to us like that, and please go away. Brooke, Penelope, and Everly are right. Stop bullying Brooke.
Whatever Brooke, the knucklehead player, who is not allowed to vlog at school.
Only frogs vlog at school. Barry, Fran, and Calvin, don't speak to Brooke like this. Yeah, now look, you made Brooke sad.
And Brooke asked permission to vlog the school. So let Brooke record still.
That's it, you maggot.
Hey, Barry, Fran, and Calvin, what do you think you are going to do? You got to be kidding me now.
Barry, Fran, and Calvin.
I freaking cannot believe you pushed our best friend, Brooke, and made her cry just like when you kicked Everly back in the first day of school.
Is everything okay?
No, it's not, Mrs. Bernard. When Brooke was vlogging with us in the school with your permission, Barry, Fran, and Calvin pushed her.
Kids, come with me to my office now.
Wow, lots of presents, thanks Mommy and Daddy.
That's okay, Bree.
Wow, I got a Squishmallow, it's so cute. Yes, I got Minecraft for my PlayStation 5. Oh my goodness, I got an iPhone 16. I always wondered what it was like to have a phone. Wait, what is this? Wah, 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 wah. Dennis, why did you give me a mean card with swear words in? Big brother, did you give Big Sister a bad card? Tell the truth right now.
Shut up, Isabel. Your voice is so squeaky and whiny, I hate you, and you should not have been born. And you should have died in Mom's stomach, and you are a stupid baby girl.
Dennis, how dare you say that Isabel's voice is squeaky and whiny? It is not its cue. And how dare you say that Isabel should not have been born? And also saying she should have died in my stomach. That was disgusting of you to say that. And that was also very heartless. And you should not have said that Isabel should have died in my stomach, because losing a baby is really tragic, as well as calling her stupid. And you should not say bad words in front of Isabel, because she is too young to learn those words.
No, unhappy birthday, Bree. You are the worst sister ever. I hate you snitch on me all the time. So now here is some karma.
Ouchie, my leg hurts so badly, I think it's broken.
Don't worry, Bree. I'm sorry Dennis did that.
I don't get it. Why did he push me on the floor? He did the same thing on my 1st and 4th birthday. Why does he hate me and Isabel so much? It's okay, big sister. We will have another party for you, and it will be a one that Dennis won't be invited to. Also, Bree, you're not alone. This type of stuff happened on my baby sister Molly's 1st birthday.
Yeah, I agree with Penelope. Chris shouted, then threw Molly's cake at her, which caused her to fall on the garden grass. Then he cut the ropes on her balloons, then they flew away, and we started crying.
Dad, Santa is not real, and his workshop is nowhere located in the North Pole. You will never find Santa's workshop anywhere in the North, just warning you.
No. Santa is real, and I know it. I saw many YouTube videos of his flying sleigh, caught on camera and popping the presents down, proving he is real.
It is probably AI, Dad. Not everything you see on the internet is really true. Screw the new cell phone policy. We can't call Mom because our phones are locked in their yon pouch.
Good. Now let me watch the movie.
Oh, good news, Dave. Once the principal finds out all of us been taken away, he will definitely get rid of the stupid cell phone policy.
Well, at least that is a good sign. But hopefully this cringe ends soon. Good night, Brian. Sweet dreams.
Good night, Mom.
Good
Good night, Johnny and Diane. I will see you both tomorrow.
Diane, why the hell do we have to sleep in the basement? I want to sleep in a better room.
Johnny, get used to it. We have to sleep in the basement because there are no other empty rooms for us to use.
Because my evil wife Catherine was treating me like shit. I will never go back to Catherine ever again. Please keep me away from the entire fuck.
Holy shit, calm down, Dave. Everything is alright. Come on inside. I will go and comfort you. It's okay, Dave. It's okay, Dave. Mommy is here for you.
All right, Brian and Emma, we are almost at the boot camp to rescue your dad.
Thank goodness, Grandma. I can't wait to see Dad again.
I know, I can't wait to get him out too. I just hope he is okay. Great, now what? It is private property. What do we do now? Oh wait, there is a speaker. Maybe we can send a message so they can let us in.